Welcome to Exceedingly Me Technical Training and Job Readiness Program. Today we're going to talk about cloud technology. Have you ever really wondered what cloud technology really is? Let me explain it to you. I'm going to use the little drawings that I use. In the early 1980s, before PCs really came out, there was something that was called mainframes, data processing or word processing. Let me explain to you how mainframes really worked. There was a little box over here, and this box contained information. And I'm just going to call this information files. There was a file for Kim, there was a file for Gail, there was a file for Mickey, and so on and so forth. There was also a little man that sat over here with a little, looked like a computer, but it was called a dummy terminal, where he needed access to Kim's file. So he would type in a command, and it would send him over here to Kim's file, and then it would bring the file back to his computer. The little man would work on the file, and then he would save the information, but instead of saving it on the computer, it saved it over here in Kim's file. Well, if this little box goes down or something happens to it, they always had a backup file. These are called mainframes. So if A goes down, everything authenticates over to B, so the information is still there. Then, in the 1980s, PCs were created, personal computers. What happened is you had these people, like we do today, that had laptops, desktops, and other devices, and all of these files, Kim, Gail, and Mickey, sits on the computer. These computers, or PCs, also had software loaded on them. So now, well, in the office you have a lot of people, like you do today, that has their own computer that has files on it. What cloud technology is, you're kind of going back to this era right here. We're going to call this one Yahoo. That's the Yahoo cloud. We're going to call this Verizon's. This is the Verizon's cloud. And we're going to call this right here Google. This is the Google cloud. Now please know that Google, Yahoo, and Verizon's have a lot of little bitty clouds. They have a lot of clouds that are all over the place that contains information. Verizon's, when you upload your pictures to the cloud, it uploads it somewhere on one of these devices, or it sits your pictures. Your phone numbers, your phone books, your contact list, all of it sits in the cloud. What happens now, you have this one person that wants to go to Verizon's and he wants to get his pictures. Same concept as over here. So instead of the pictures sitting on his cell phone, the pictures are sitting in the cloud. And let's just say you have this one person that wants to Google something on the Google website. So they ask Google, what is the cloud? With that information, it's stored somewhere out here in the cloud, and we're going to call it cyberspace. So he asks Google the question, and the Google goes up in the cloud, and it finds the answer, and it brings it back down to him. That's basically what cloud technology is in a nutshell. It's that instead of the information and software sitting on your computer, it sits up on a server or it sits in the cloud. One other example. A lot of us have Office 365 now, which is Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Well, if you notice, you don't load the software on your computer anymore. The software sits in the cloud. So whenever you want to access Microsoft Word or Excel, you go access it from the cloud. You'll never know it's doing it, but if you notice, you did not load any software on your computer. You just gained access to the cloud. That's basically what cloud is in a nutshell. Hope this has been helpful. Please share and have a great day. Thank you.